Ladies and gentlemen, next up, the president of Tim Calhoun Powersports Pros, the man himself, Tim Calhoun.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Disruptor stage, and we're about to talk to you about some disruption we plan to create within this industry, but very positive disruption. One of the things we've noticed, and I'm a guy that's worked in this industry 41 years now, is harder and harder to find quality reps to represent brands, harder and harder to find certified reps that can come in your store and be a great partner for you. And so we've decided to put our money where our mouth is and create a program that's going to help your dealership flourish and help vendors and aftermarket companies find quality reps to work with their brands. Long term, we want to create scholarship programs, want to create education program, a certification program, but everything we're doing within this program is going to be essentially a very dealer-centric program. The key parts of our program will be training and development of sales reps, networking community. The whole foundation of what we're doing is going to be driven through Dealer Academy, which is a training platform. We want to change the way that we're presenting products to you, want to train the way that we're offering additional help after the brand goes in your store through certified training programs for your employees as well as our sales reps. Career advancement for people. You know, right now, when somebody leaves a dealership, typically it's not necessarily for another power sports company, it's out of the industry. We want to take these younger people, offer them an opportunity of a real career in this industry. And I don't know of many industries where you can not have a college degree and go out there and make $150,000, $200,000 a year if you're willing to work for it. And that's something you can do as an outside rep if you're willing to hustle and do a great job. But the problem is with some of the bigger distributors, they used to be the ones that would pick up reps, train them, put them into the workforce and give them a great foundation, but that's fewer and farther between these days. So for independent companies, smaller companies looking for reps, there isn't a lot of training education. We want to fill that void. So what does it do for vendors, for companies that want to work with us? We expand your reach deeper into dealership. We give you a certified employee. We're going to train them on merchandising. We're going to train them how to sell products, how to rotate products, DMS systems, so they can pre-build an order before they walk into a dealer because they understand how to look at that DMS system. We're going to teach them how to present brands on a larger level. And more importantly, we want to move sales reps from a product selling rep to a consultative partner for dealerships. So the additional things we're going to offer are going to be software programs to teach you to find who your best customer is. We're going to give you financial programs that allow you to stretch your operating capital in your company. We're going to give you programs for you on software, improving your website, improving your reach, improving your organic ranking. So these are going to be consultative sellers that help your entire business from front to back, not just your parts and accessory department. We want to elevate the quality of people who are sitting in your door that can help your business thrive as a dealership. So again, very dealer-centric. Exclusive insights. We plan to have extremely strong data on what we do. We'll know who's training, what's training, certify your employees. So it's a career addition, and we know one of the key factors to retaining employees in a dealership is educating them and furthering their education. So we plan to have multiple modules, training them on merchandising, selling, how to treat a customer, how to talk to a customer, how to engage, how to better understand your inventory within your dealership, et cetera, et cetera. So again, we want to help you improve. Credible partnerships. Again, we're looking to go work with vendors and give vendors an opportunity with a platform like Dealer Academy, where when you're presenting, say, your new 2025 apparel line, now you can do it virtually online, present it to all your dealers at one time, have an evergreen video there that dealers can come back and look at any time, downloadable order forms. That way when your reps are coming in your dealership, they're showing the last 2 or 3 pieces you may have some questions on, writing an order. We're laying orders into dealers faster, creating quicker turnovers on that product line. But the key point of all of this is not only are we selling you a brand, we're creating modules of education on that brand that your employees can go back to and train on how to sell that out of your dealership. So we're changing the way things are being sold by not just putting it in your store and hoping it does well. We're putting it in your store and we're educating your staff on how to sell it. So we're taking it to the nth degree all the way through the final selling process. And if you turn over that employee in 4 months or 5 months, it's fine. Those videos are going to be evergreen where that new employee coming in the door can train up on how to sell our product that's sitting on your shelf, to increase the revenue for your dealership. Community training coaching, that's a key thing. There's a lot of reps that are coming out from an encounter. They're doing their best, but they're just going out there and shooting in the wind because nobody's really training them how to be a better rep, how to set up a sales route, how to manage their money. We want to bring in CPAs to teach them how to set up business for themselves and understand that if I'm representing brands, I'm building my own business within other businesses. I need to run it like a professional. Now, all the people that taught me growing up had been in this industry a long time and honestly taught me a lot of hard lessons on how to be a great rep. There was a time where being a representative for brands was a very proud profession, and we took it very seriously. I want to get back to that, where people understand you can be an exceptional salesperson, you can truly be a professional, you can run your own business, and it can be very profitable if you do it correctly. And we want to give you the tools and the training and the backing and the support to do that. So, for anybody here, you can pull up those QR codes. The top one is Powersports Rep Association. We just are asking you, what's your interest in working with a company like ours? As a dealership, do you have questions? What's your interest as a dealership? What are the things that you most need done for you? Down below is Dealer Academy. Now, we've already signed several contracts with state associations, dealer associations, and we plan to expand that. And we're creating a platform where these associations come in and formulate their own training curriculum on the specific items they need, whether it's F&I, whether it's parts and accessories, whether it's riding service, etc. And we're doing that for a very minimal cost, but we just want to get people onto a platform that's a quality platform and will support your needs and wants as a dealer organization. Whether you're an individual dealer or a state association, we'd love to hear from you and show you what we have and how affordable it is. The whole idea being we would really love to have most associations in this country on one unified platform. That way, when employees move state to state or dealer to dealer, they're used to the training platform. You can capitalize on it in your dealership as well. And then you can create a free profile on Dealer Academy. Go in and take a look at what we're doing, and we'll explain better what's happening and how easy it is to utilize our program. If you're training in a module and somebody comes in your store, you can put down your phone, go deal with your customer, pick up your phone, and go right back to where you left off. It's that simple. It's easy to do in your spare time or easy to do when you have downtime. Last but not least, on the Dealer Academy, we want your feedback. We have a small questionnaire on this QR code, and we're literally asking you, what are the things you most want? What are the things you most need? We want to hear from dealers. We want to hear from vendors. We want to understand how we can best serve you. That's us truly being an organization you can work with. If we don't listen and we think we know it all, we're already wrong. We're all ears. But net in the end, really what we want to do is create a platform that dealers can use that's very friendly. Use that platform to present product lines and create educational modules on those product lines for dealers. For vendors, we want to create quality reps that are trained and certified and recertified on a regular basis. So you know when you hire them in your territory, you're getting the best possible rep to represent your brand. And last but not least, hopefully leave a legacy that a lot of older guys like myself who are beginning to age out of this industry, that we're bringing guys in behind us, younger people who are interested and are going to do a great job, and passing on the knowledge we have on how to do that. So that is the Powersports Rep Association. I appreciate all your time and listening to me, and I hope the rest of your show is great.